Want to close the screen door so Hank doesn't run down here right now?
See that pile of kindling out there? Right
there?
Yeah,
right there.
That was a solid board right out there. And we put it on there, and it blew that board to pieces.
I was telling your dad about your gun. It's a 12 gauge, right? The one that you had me shoot that it felt like it punched me.
So we go.
Like, yeah,
So now we have.
We're gonna do some redneck logging. You ready, hon?
Ready?
You sure?
Yeah.
Ma, you watching?
I'm gonna be in 2 seconds, but wait.
What are you shooting at?
Nothing,
Okay.
don't worry.
Don't worry.
Listen to that tree over there.
You ready?
Ready?
Everybody ready?
Ready?
Missed it.
Low.
Is that a 30-06?
Hey, get down!
Hey, come here. Come here, Miss Hank.
Ready? So low. Oh, it's because it's 100 yards.
Yeah.
You want to move it back to 100?
No?
Mr. Hank.
Hey.
Settle down!
That might have been the bang we were at your dad's house.
Still. Hey, hey.
It's okay, Hank.
First shot, he nailed the one off the board. Hey, hey. Hey.
Oh my gosh! Dude, we should have got my I got a video camera here. That would have been awesome.
Nailed it.
Holy shnikes!
I like this bus.
Did you drill the hole?
Yeah, I cut it in with a chainsaw. But the first one we put out on a flat 2x6 out there in the field was about
Holy!
we shit our pants.
I can't believe what I just saw. Oh man, I wish I'd known. I would have filmed that.
I did.